Horizon began with close coordination with the school education department, SCD, and other stakeholders. Horizon was formally launched in collaboration with the Quaid-e-Azam Academy for Educational Development, with later transition into the Punjab Education Curriculum Training and Assessment Authority. This institutional partnership ensured legitimacy, sustainability, and alignment with government priorities. A major milestone was establishing the Punjab Female Head Teachers Network (PFHN). The network brought together 45 female head teachers along with district education officers and assistant education officers representing 26 districts across Punjab. This was the first structured provincial platform connecting female school teachers for shared learning and collective leadership. To institutionalize this effort, Horizon developed a comprehensive training manual. The manual was formally approved by PECTA and is now used in official government trainings. It covers practical areas including education policy process, social media and artificial intelligence in education, transparent use of non-salary budgets, school management councils, community ownership of schools, and strengthening women's leadership. Following the training, head teachers launched official Facebook and Instagram pages for their schools, showcased achievements, engaged communities, increased enrollment efforts, and continued using the manual as a leadership guide. District level social action initiatives. At the district level, PFHN members led social action initiatives advocating for better resource allocation, easing financial burdens on underprivileged families, improving monitoring systems, launching evening classes, and strengthening recognition of female head teachers. School leadership has now moved from discussion to implementation. YouthTube organized a policy dialogue inside the historic Punjab Assembly. Girls directly presented concerns to policymakers, including Ms. Nosheen Adnan and Ms. Mehwish Sultana. When a girl highlighted a traffic safety issue, authorities responded. A pedestrian bridge is now under construction, demonstrating the power of informed girls' voices. The project expanded through forums, radio shows, podcasts, and digital reels, reaching more than 1 lakh people on Facebook and Instagram. Express News Forum amplified the campaign through dedicated colored pages, newspaper reports, and nationwide TV coverage twice. On 24 January 2026, Horizon organized the first Girls Education Fest with PECTA. It engaged 105 schools and nearly 220 students. Minister Rana Sikandar Hayat attended and announced Rs 3 lakh in prizes from his own pocket through Reel, Urdu, and Punjabi declamation and quiz competitions. Students advocated girls' education as a right and pathway of poverty. Following the fest, girls' education clubs were established in participating schools to lead digital awareness activities. A Punjabi language podcast series was also launched, featuring education champions discussing challenges while promoting practical solutions. In 1.5 years, Horizon has built a provincial network of female educational leaders, secured government approval of a training manual, strengthened district level leadership, influenced policy action through student voices, reached over 1 lakh people digitally, engaged 105 schools in a province-wide festival, established sustainability structures. Horizon today stands as a model of strengthened leadership, accountability, community engagement, and empowered voices of female teachers and girls across Punjab.